Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a twisted high bun tutorial, and it was requested by a viewer, and thank you so much to that viewer. I appreciate you so much, and I am so sorry. I just want to say that off the top. I am so sorry it took me so long to get this video out. I had some other videos in place to do before, but I apologize because it's been a minute. But I am here with the video. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here at Tracie's Place on the regular. Click that notification bell, because when you click that notification bell, it notifies you every time I upload a video. That way you'll see it right away. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Share the video, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you what you need. For this high bun tutorial, you are going to need your Edgewax. And I use the Murray's Edgewax, and you may use Edge Control, and that's fine. They're basically the same. This is an Edge Control, but it's called Murray's Edgewax Edge Control. And some other ones just may say the brand name and then Edge Control. So use one of those Edge Control Edge Tamers. And then I use the Wet Line Gel. This smells so good, you all, but it's a good hold. And just like my edges, you're going to, and I'm going to attach the video for my edges. I'll attach it at the end of this video. But you put your gel on first when you slick your hair up, and then you put your edge wax or your edge control on top of your gel. And that makes it lay flat. If you have resistant hair to smoothing, you're gonna need that combination. All right, and then we are going to need bobby pins, the closed bobby pins. You're gonna need those. And then you're gonna need these crimp hairpins. And these are just the straight ones that are not closed. And I'll show you what they look like. They look like that. You're also going to need 3 rubber bands. 1 to put your hair in a ponytail, and 2 for the strands of ponytail, the Kankalon ponytails. And then you're going to need a brush, hairbrush, and then your toothbrush or edge tamer, whatever you use. I just use a toothbrush that's only for my hair. And you're going to use, as I'll show in the video in a second, you will need 2 packs of Kankalon hair for twisting or braiding. I'll be back. This is what you're going to get started with, guys. I have 100% Kankalon hair here, and this is what it looks like. They're usually between $1.99 to $3.99 per pack. I think there's another blend of hair other than Kankalon that you can get if you don't see Kankalon. So just ask the people in your local beauty supply store. I have a dark brown here, but you're going to get whatever color you need that matches your hair. So I'm going to show you how to get it gathered up, and we're going to get started. And out of the pack, what you're going to do is just fold the hair in half, and right where it folds and it's equal on both sides, right in the middle, you're going to gather it just like this, and you're going to slide a rubber band through there so the rubber band hangs just like this, and I'm going to show you what I mean. And here it is, gathered right in the center. So now we're going to start braiding. What you want to do is put the hair on a doorknob in your home. So you're going to put the rubber band right on the doorknob like this, and you're going to twist or braid, whichever one you would like to do, whichever effect you're going for, the braided look or the twisted look. I like the twists. I just think that looks prettier. So I'm going to go ahead and twist mine. And you can braid it as tight or loose as you want. And just twist or braid all the way down to the bottom. And right here I have 2 of them twisted all the way down. And we're going to get started. And we're back, guys. So here I have the 2 twisted tails on my hair, and all I did was use my edge wax and my gel. Just as when doing my edges, And I went ahead and did that too, of course, my edges. But just when doing edges, to lay your hair down really flat, and just this is specifically for people whose hair is somewhat resistant to straightening out, which mine's is. Mine's like to stay curly. So I use my extreme gel first, and then the Edgewax second. I put that on top to slick my hair down. And after I put my hair into a ponytail, I attach the two little twists, or two long twists, onto my ponytail by the rubber band that I had in the middle of the hair. And you just put one rubber band on for this side, and put the other one on with that rubber band on this side. And then you're going to begin to start twisting using your bobby pins. And you want to keep it twisted tight. You don't want to untwist it. You want to keep it twisted tight. And like I said, the tightness just depends on how you like it. So what you do is you go ahead and start wrapping. And I'm looking at a mirror over here. And you go ahead and start securing. And to secure the very first one, the very first end, I go ahead and I tuck the end up under the other hair that's wrapped around, and I use the bobby pins that are flat, that are closed rather, and I bobby pin it down. I go ahead and on the other side, kind of right in the front, I go ahead and bobby pin the twisted hair, the bun, down to my hair so that it does not move. You can put as many as you like, depending on what you're going to be doing or what have you. You want it super secure. And I go ahead and I put another one in the back. And the one I just put in the back is an open one, that because I already have two closed ones on. Okay, so now I'm going to start wrapping the other one. You can take it around this way, or you can take it around the same way you did the other twist. I'm going to do it the same way. And I'm just going to wrap it like so. And I'm going to secure it with a closed bobby pin. And I'm going to secure it to my hair. And I tuck the hair, the end of the second twist, I tucked it up under this bun. Also, guys, you want to just make sure there are no hairs sticking out. If there's anything that can be seen, like any bobby pins or anything, you want to pull them out, rearrange them, or either pull some other hair from another section over and just, secure it in. But everything looks good thus far. Yeah, I like that. Also, make sure you turn around. You use a hand mirror to look in a bigger mirror to check the back of your hair. Make sure everything is a-okay back there. No hairs are sticking out, nothing's out of place, and that you can't see any bobby pins. All right, and there you have it, the high bun tutorial, the twisted high bun tutorial. So I hope you liked the video. I hope everything was pretty clear and everything. If you have any questions, please put them down below. And like I said in the beginning of the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. All right, I love you all so much, and I will see you guys right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.